Hey friends, I am here to explain the Pet First Aid and CPR pocketbook assignment that you have for this week and part of next week. So first I'm just going to read this section. It says, we've talked about the checking the health of our pets, but this assignment focuses on being able to take care of our animals by being able to handle emergency situations that could happen. To collect your knowledge of first aid and CPR for pets, create a pocketbook PowerPoint. Your pocketbook should be an informational resource that you could share with someone to educate them quickly about pet first aid or CPR. For each topic, research what the topic is or means and how to treat your animal for it. Specifically, or specify if you are researching for the first aid for a dog or a cat, because it can be kind of different between the two. So make sure you keep that common theme throughout. This is a multiple day assignment, so the topics are broken down into what you can cover in your research to pace yourself through the 6 allotted days. In order to turn this assignment in for class, submit a PowerPoint presentation to the appropriate form on the weekly plan after the entire assignment is done. Once completed, we can encourage you to print off your pocketbook to keep handy for your pets at home. So this assignment will not be due until I believe it's Wednesday of next week. So once you get it done, if you work ahead, you can hang on to it until that Dropbox is available to you. But it will not be available on this week's plan. We are asking for this week that you're able to do days, I believe it's 1, 2, and 3. So your required topics that you need to include on this assignment are going to be a cover page. For day 1, we're asking that you cover CPR. Day 2, external bleeding. Day 3, fractures. Day 4, choking. Day 5, heat stroke. And day 6, poisons. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. So first you're going to open up a blank PowerPoint. You're going to title it because you need a cover page. So I titled mine First Aid and CPR Pocketbook for my dog Maggie. So that tells you what my dog's name is. It tells you that I have a dog and that I'm researching these things for a dog. And that it's a pocketbook. Obviously, you're going to add some decorations, make it look a little prettier than I did. I just want to get you guys started. So then your next step is day 1 is to research CPR. So I can see the next slide is titled CPR. So I'm going to look up like CPR for dogs or how to do CPR on dogs. Day 2, when I get there, I'm going to make a new slide. And let's call this one external, whoops, I'm not even typing, external bleeding. And then I'm going to do the same thing, research external bleeding for dogs. Once I've gathered all this information, made it look really pretty, added pictures, all of the good stuff, I'm going to go ahead and turn it into the appropriate form on next week's plan. And make sure you can work ahead on these. You can make all these PowerPoint slides and then not have homework to do for a couple days. That's super cool. But yeah, just make sure you get it done in time. Don't procrastinate it. And good luck.